Hello, welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff, where today we're doing Stourbridge Scare Maze. So we have been invited down here by Stourbridge Scare Maze to check out the maze. We've never done it before, have we?
No, we've not. It's not too far from us either.
This is a brand new one for us. It's just one maze, and it says on the website it's a 20 to 30 minute experience, which is quite a long maze.
It's quite a long maze.
We do have permission to film inside. We're not allowed to post a full run through, but we'll be posting the highlights from the event. We've got Quentin with us today. He's never done anything like this before, and I'm not entirely sure he knows what he's let himself in for. I've heard on the grapevine that this is a pretty scary one, but only time will tell. Shall we go in?
Let's go.
Yeah.
How many in the group?
3.
Right in that room for me.
6 years ago, in an abandoned building, workers witnessed a rip in space-time, a portal to the other realm. Now you can enter that very portal and become victim of one of the deranged experiments, awaiting sign. Are you ready?
Before we've even gone anywhere. Oh, here we go. Are you ready?
Beware! Once you've gone through, there's no escape!
Oh, God.
Hope you're ready for the fright of your life!
No. 100% not.
So, you've come to see my latest creations, yes? The machinations of my mind?
Yes.
A little bit more enthusiasm on
Yes.
the yes. Thank you. Wonderful is this? The darkest energies of the world coalesce into one room. Are you excited?
Yes.
See? This is some better enthusiasm. We're learning today, aren't we? Well, when things all said and done, would you like to go see what's on the other side?
Don't know. Oh, God. There's someone at the top of the stairs. Oh.
To our prison! You're all gonna walk in that direction, okay? As soon as you leave, that door will open. And whatever comes out that door, it's your cup of tea. Okay? Move it! Move it! Move it!
I don't know what's about to come out the door behind us.
God!
Is it?
Open the door!
Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh! Oh, no. Not a fan of that. Get behind me, Linton. Stay close. Oh, she's insane. She's actually insane. Oh, this looks vile.
You're here to see Mama! She's gonna like you!
Get your record ball!
Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh! Touch me. Oh! I still can't see. Oh, I can hear it. Oh.
Oh my god.
I can hear it. I don't see it. See, I don't even know if it's still in front of me. I can't. Oh! Oh no. Oh, immediately no. Immediately no. Oh God.
Get in!
I'm in.
Stand against the wall!
Against the wall! Has anyone been bitten?
Have you?
Are you infected?
No.
Get out of my sight!
Okay.
Get out!
Okay, I'm going. Go where? Tell us to go to the door. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I can't see. lost them. Oh, oh, I've just swallowed the block. Oh my god! Oh my! Oh, I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Oh my! Oh, that's horrible. That is absolutely vile. Oh, it's a step. Sewer.
Church of Satan! My brothers and sisters are waiting. Come along now.
There's nuns, and I don't know which one's real. I don't want to find out either, if I'm truly honest with you. Ah! That one!
Play my game. The discs of destiny.
Okay.
Pick a disc.
He's waiting!
Sacrifice your soul!
Oh, dear one. I can smell you!
Now!
Smell you!
This will look after you. Are you ready, dear one?
No.
Your time is now! Oh, he squeals! He squeals! Come on, Father will be so pleased.
Bully. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my actual goodness. Oh. Well, that was an experience. What do we say about that?
Experience. That's perhaps one of the longest mazes we've ever done, isn't it?
That was, yeah, I think that,
Yeah.
I think I'll have to check the video, but I think it was about 23 minutes last
Was
time I
it?
checked, and that was as we were approaching the second room, so probably about 25 minutes we were in there.
Yeah.
All in all, probably depends how fast you run through it, but they will stop you at times, and they will stop you from going any further.
Yeah.
What did you think?
And there was really good at splitting groups up as well, so you didn't bump into groups in front of you and allow groups to catch up behind you
yeah,
as well.
huge group
Yeah.
between, huge gaps between groups. It's at the
which is
moment
always
it's,
good.
it's single groups as well, isn't it? You're not put with anyone else at the moment.
No, so whoever you're with, that's who you'll go through with.
I think that does change when it's on the busier nights, but I mean it's a Friday night tonight, and they're just sending us on our own, aren't they?
Yeah, and they was doing that with the people before us as well.
Yeah. In fact, the people in front of us were only two, weren't there? There were so many actors in there. There were
Yeah.
so many.
There's about 55 actors.
55, yeah. 55
That
actors
is-
in there.
That is good
Which
for
is
one maze.
Crazy. There was barely any empty space. Pretty much only the stairs.
Stairs,
really,
yeah.
wasn't there?
That's
Because
one for health and safety.
yeah, they don't want people to fall and die, which is, reasonable. Other than that, there was barely any empty space, was there?
No.
Just enough to sort of let you come down, ready for them to
Before the next.
make you cack your pants again, yeah.
Yeah, and you go through loads of different zones, and each zone is really themed well, isn't it?
Yeah, you can tell as soon as you approach what each thing is supposed to be. It's really
Yeah.
immersive, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there was even a bit, without spoiling too much, but there's even a bit where they stopped us, wasn't there? And they literally penned us in
Yeah.
whilst they were attacking us. And then they have a bit of a sort of end scene at the end, obviously.
And then along the way, there's a few little acted out scenes to break it up. The acted out scenes don't go on too long, do they? They go
No.
for quite a decent length of time.
Enough to set the scene, but not so much.
Yeah.
It sort of breaks it up too much. Strong warning: if you are not a fan of touching,
Yes. Yeah.
there is a lot of physical contact in there, and
And quite a bit of crawl spaces as well.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah, lots of
Yeah.
ducking and crawling. But they are very hands-on, and they are very. I don't want to say rough because that makes it feel like they're violent, but they they are handsy and they are intense with the touching. That was absolutely crazy. That was brilliant. In fact, that's one of the best we've done, I would say. That's one of the best that we've ever been to.
And the makeup and costumes and stuff was great as well.
It was just, I think they literally killed it on every point. Like there's nothing that I look back and I think, oh, they could have done that a bit better.
Same.
Which is the sign of an amazing maze.
Yes.
That was crazy. I'm dead. I'm honestly ruined.
Really.
And they do give you a really cool little suit. You can get a souvenir photo as well. Hopefully you won't have the camera in the middle of your face when you take yours, but you can get a souvenir photo from the first room as well, which is really cool. Loved that. Brilliant. Cannot recommend that enough. And the Scare Maze does also own an Aztec Adventure Golf, which is lovely. Nice way. It's only down the road, so you can go and calm down. They've got disco golf as well from 7 o'clock, so we're going to have a bit of a disco, have some drinks and chill out because that was horrendous. Well, that was a nice little way to count down, wasn't it, after the Scare Maze?
Yeah, that was
Brilliant.
really fun there.
I forgot to say as well, actually,
Golf.
I forgot to say they've got a Halloween overlay as well
Yes.
at the moment, so cobwebs everywhere and animatronics.
When they spoke to us at the Scare Maze, they said, "Oh, it's just a little Halloween overlay," but they had a lot of.
Yeah, they put a decent amount in there.
There's some good animatronics in there as well. Didn't they?
And then music on from 7 o'clock until whatever time they close. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I enjoyed that DJ actually.
Personally, I cannot recommend Stourbridge enough. That was absolutely brilliant.
It was really good. As well.
Fantastic.
It's also the first time our friend has ever done a Scare Maze, so
Yeah. And he survived. Just. We've still got more scare events to do with Avon coming up and Extreme Scream, as well as a couple that we've never done before as well. There's also plenty more scare content on the channel, so go check that out. Until then, thank you for watching, subscribe to us, and we will see you
next time we do stuff.